So how do you feel if I show you different method on how to scrape emails from Google? Well, in this video I'm going to show you different method on how to scrape emails from Google, and if you watch this video to the end, I will show you how to validate the emails so that you can be able to use the emails to promote your offers by sending cold emails, and you can even use it to send traffic to your website, and if you wish you can even sell it on Fiverr to make some money. And if you're here for the first time in this channel, I teach different strategies on how to make money online. And if you love what I do, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and smash the notification bell. Well, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to google.com. So alright guys, here we are on Google search bar. So I want to search for restaurant owner leads. Okay, so I want to generate some leads for restaurant owner. So to do that, we want to type in quotation. So I want to give Google some commands so that it will be able to generate some leads for us. Okay, just stick with me so that I will show you the step by step on how to do that. Okay, so we want to type in quotation, and you put in a restaurant. Okay, restaurant owner. Okay, restaurant owner. Then you close it with quotation space. I want to generate the restaurant owner at USA. Okay, United States. So you type in quotation again, United States, and you close it and you space it again. So we want to generate restaurant owner with Gmail account. Okay, so we are using Gmail account, so you want to type in gmail.com. okay, then you close it. Okay, so you are done, then you hit your search. So all these are leads, guys, all these are leads. So let me show you one more thing. So I've already done that though, but I'm going to show you this. Okay, so for you, if you haven't done it, it will just show you like let's say 10 leads. So for you to generate more than 10 leads in this page, all you have to do is just to hit this settings, then hit the search settings, and you come over here and draw this to 100. Okay, I want to draw it to 100, and you draw it to 100, then you save. Okay, and you are done. So for us to copy out the leads among this result, because we have to copy out the emails among all these results Google give us here. Okay, so for us to copy out the result, so we want to open a new tab, and you type in chain tool, and you wait for it to load up. And this first result, which is our chain tools intelligence software, you want to hit this, and to take you to a blog. Okay, which is this is the blog. So what we want to use here is this button here, this button. All you have to do is just to hit the button, then you hold it and drag it up, and you drop it here. So we are done with this, then you close. Okay, we are done. So we are done with that. So to extract the emails, so you want to hit this button you drag up here, which is this. Okay, the chain tool, then you hit the scrape emails to automatically scrape the emails for you. All these are emails. All you have to do is just to hit the Control A, and you copy, and you can paste it somewhere in your notepad. Okay, you can paste it somewhere in your notepad, which is this. All these are emails. Okay, so if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to validate all this so that you can be able to know the working ones among all these emails. Okay, so let me show you the next method. The next method we want to use is we want to use a Chrome extension to scrape the emails among all these results here. Okay, so to do that, you want to open a new tab, and you type in email grabber or email extractor. Okay, just type in email grabber. Okay, and you search, and you choose this. Okay, this email extractor Chrome web, or you can choose this also. Then let's choose this email extractor Chrome extension. Okay, and you wait for it to load up. So this is the Chrome extension. Okay, so I've already installed it on my Chrome browser, which is this is the Chrome extension. So as for you, it will just show you add to Chrome instead of showing you remove from Chrome. It will show you add to Chrome. So all you have to do is just to hit the button, and it will automatically add it to your Chrome browser. Okay, then you pin it. Okay, then you scroll here and you hit the pin, and it will pin it up here. Okay, so when you are done with that, go straight back to your results here to scrape the emails. So to scrape all these emails, so you don't have to panic. All you have to do is just to hit the icon, and it will bring up all the emails. to bring up all the emails. So all you have to do is just you can copy all, then you right click, then you copy, then you go back to your notepad, okay, then you paste. Okay, so that's how you use that method. Okay, so I hope you understand what I just showed you on the second method. So let me show you the third method. The third method is heading to a website called light14.us. okay, light14.us. So on getting to this website, what you have to do is go back to this result here, okay, the Google result here, okay, and you hit Ctrl A, then you copy all, and you go straight back to the Light 14 website, then you paste it on this page here, okay, you paste it here, okay. After pasting it, then you hit extract. So it will extract all the emails on this page. It will extract all the emails. So these are the emails, okay. So the next thing I want to show you is that I want to show how to validate all the emails. Okay, so to validate all these emails, you want to separate it with comma, then you split it by 10. Okay, and after splitting it, you hit this verify email. So I'm guessing here you want to head back to this page, then you hit this split. So it will split all these results. It will split them in 10 different places. Okay, it will split them by 10. Okay, so all this, you count all this, to be 10 10. Okay, so if you count all these emails, it will be splitted into 10 different places. Okay, so you want to copy one of these emails. Okay, copy one of these emails, you copy and go straight to this page and you paste it here. So the reason why we check single email on this sidebar is for us to see this option here, which is a bulk email check. So without using one email, it won't pop up this option. So the next thing to do is hitting this. We have to hit this, then we'll copy and it will pop up this. Okay, so we head back to the email light 14 us, then we'll copy all these emails. We split it into 10 different by 10 different places. Okay, we'll have to copy them one by one. Okay, so copy 10, copy the 10, go back and you paste the 10 emails here. Okay, then you check. Okay, so it will validate them and to show the results here in this box. Okay, so wait for it to validate the 10 emails. So good, it has been validated, so all the email are valid. Okay, so all the email are valid, so we have to copy them, then we try to use it. So we try to use them for whatever I want to use them for. Either you want to send cold emails to them to promote your offer, or you want to sell them on Fiverr or any freelancing website, then you're good to go. Okay, so that's how you validate all the emails you've extracted here. So you copy all these, you paste them here. Okay, then you split them by 10 and you copy them one by one by in 10 different places. Okay, you copy 10 and you paste the 10 here and you check and to bring up the valid emails. Okay, to bring up the valid emails, and you copy the valid emails and use them for whatever you want to use them for. Okay, so I think I'm done with that. So that's all for now. Okay, so if you find it helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so that you see my next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.